Hello everyone and welcome to all the DIY enthusiasts out there. Today I've got something really handy that I ordered from AliExpress and it's actually arrived in excellent condition. The product is helping hand magnifier with built-in LED lights and a soldering stand. It's a compact but powerful tool that can make a big difference if you often work in electronics, small repairs, or any kind of precise DIY project. If you are interested in checking out, you'll find the purchase link in the description below. Right now it's available at a discounted price and you can also take coupons to get an even better deals. Now back to our product. As you can see, it arrived in perfect condition and honestly it was delivered in a very short time. This is how it looks out of the box. It's a really practical tool for hobbyists, students, or anyone who enjoy working on DIY projects. It also comes with a small LED lamp that runs on AAA batteries, which is very useful when you need extra lights for detailed work. Another thing I really like it is the lenses. You can actually get two magnifiers, one with 3.5 zoom and another with 12 zoom. So what's up in the box, you can see the user manual and products, and you can see there is a several parts that will made to assemble together. So here, place to plus the batteries. By the way, the lamp requires just 3 AAA batteries to operate, which is very simple and convenient. So I'm going to put all the pieces together now, and then I'll be back to show you the fully assembled product. Now this is the final setups after assembly. Now I go grab my soldering iron and prepare a few components so we can test it out in action. Now you can see the magnifier, the quality. But please don't do what I'm doing right now. Never try soldering over a carpet because it's really dangerous. Even a small mistake can lead to serious damage or an accident. Now I'm going to solder a few components here with you. I've got some flux ready and as you can see, I'm trimming right now light.